In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vacation rental website on Wix. Whether you're managing a single vacation home or multiple properties, having a professional website can make all the difference in attracting guests and managing bookings. Creating a website may sound daunting, but with Wix, it's incredibly straightforward and user-friendly. Let's dive in and get you started on your journey to building the perfect vacation rental website. First, head over to the Wix website. If you haven't done so already, you'll want to create an account or log in. Wix is a powerful platform that offers a wide range of tools and templates suitable for all kinds of websites. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard, the starting point for all your website building adventures. From the dashboard, click on the option to create a new website. You'll find this prominently displayed, making it easy to begin the process of bringing your website vision to life. By selecting this option, you set the stage for customizing a website that perfectly fits your needs. Next, you'll see a search bar that allows you to find templates by keyword. This is where you'll enter vacation rental. Typing this in will show you a curated list of templates specifically designed for vacation rental businesses. You'll notice a variety of styles and layouts. Take your time to scroll through them. Each template offers different features and design elements. Once you've identified the template that best matches your style and requirements, go ahead and click on it. Remember, this template will form the backbone of your website, so ensure it aligns well with the branding and image you want to project for your rental business. After you've selected and loaded your template, you've officially created your new website. It's an exciting moment to see it for the first time. But the journey doesn't stop here. Wix allows you to fully customize your site by changing the text, color, and overall design to fit your personal aesthetic and business branding. Don't shy away from exploring the robust customization tools available at your fingertips. Customization is where your personality and business identity shine through. Make sure the text reflects the tone and information you want to share with potential visitors. The color scheme and design should be inviting, easy to navigate, and professional. Wix offers a wealth of features, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. Remember, the goal is to have a website that not only looks fantastic, but functions seamlessly, helping you streamline bookings and interactions with guests. Play around with the different elements and make your vacation rental website as unique as your property itself. With Wix, your dream website is just a few clicks away, and I am confident that you can create a spectacular online presence. Happy website building, and may your venture into online vacation rentals be a great success.